production schedule, at this point, we can lock it in for at least a week, which is pretty good that we know what we're doing for the next week, especially with as dynamic of customers that as we have. We used to basically only know about the next day at most what we were going to do. At this point, we do a production schedule for 30 days ahead, but it's pretty solid for that next week, which is really helpful. So we've been able to expand. If you want to use a really giant figure, you could say we've expanded our production schedule 7 times. We have about a week that we know and everybody can kind of plan for. And then, we have a 30-day, which a lot of that gets adjusted, but it at least gives you a general idea. What happens, you guys probably know this, but what happens if you don't have a good schedule is you end up with downtime in between one project and another while you have an operator that's searching for something to do or waiting to be told what to do. We used to use an inefficiency rate of 0.85. Okay, so 15% inefficiency, and we now use 0.9. We're really comfortable with that figure. We even think it's a little bit conservative. There's a 5% reduction in it, and basically inefficient use of time